today we'll talk about how can you switch to demo on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on trading account here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to switch to demo here, just click on it. So then you click here on change account, you just click on it here. Then here automatically it's going to change with you to demo here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.